Hello, I'm Chef Bruce Davis. I spent 30 years in the field as a chef and restaurant manager and 26 years teaching culinary arts at the Center of Applied Technology North. Today, we'll be cooking in the Vulcan finishing oven, making a really nice shrimp scampi. And when we put it in the finishing oven at a high temperature, it'll cook really quick and have a nice crisp crust. We'll also be doing a filet mignon. We will pan sear the filet mignon on the range top and then finish it in the finishing oven, which will give us that final cook temperature for the inside of that filet. Also, we'll be doing a broiled crab cake in the finishing oven. The reason why we want to use a finishing oven for the crab cake is a really high temperature and it'll give us a really quick crust. I'm going to go grab a couple things in the back and we're going to get started.
Thank you very much, Chef. Hello everyone, Roxanne Holt here again with another Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range a la carte episode. While Chef is gathering his supplies, let's go over the topics we are covering in this session. Today, we are going to discuss our Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range oven-based types and options, with a special focus on our finishing oven option. A dedicated finishing oven is a great tool for any chef who primarily uses their range oven base to finish a dish at higher temperatures before serving. With a 650-degree thermostat providing an extra 100 degrees over a traditional standard oven, and a half-inch thick hearth plate at the bottom of the oven cavity, our Vulcan V-Series finishing ovens are perfect for any chef who needs to finish their product more gently at a high, consistent temperature. Today, Chef will be preparing 3 menu items for us in the finishing oven: a shrimp scampi, a seared filet, a broiled crab cake. Let's begin with the shrimp scampi and see how he is able to use the V-Series heavy-duty range finishing oven base to create this perfect appetizer menu item. Before we get into finishing ovens, let's recap the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range line. The core feature of these ranges is that they are built modularly, meaning each top and base are independent, and allows them to be mixed and matched to create endless lineup configurations, placing components virtually anywhere Chef wants them to be placed. As modular units, the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range line is the most customizable range line on the market. Our discussion today will focus on the oven bases in the heavy-duty range line, with a special focus on finishing ovens. This range line offers the option of both standard and convection oven bases, which all use a strong steel counterweight to balance and pull the door tightly closed. The oven cavities are porcelain-coated steel, but are also available with a stainless steel interior option. Our bases also feature a wide temperature profile, ranging from low to a searing 550 degrees, allowing a variety of uses from holding product to baking delicate pastry or high-temperature roasting. Now, most commercial range manufacturing companies offer the traditional standard and convection oven bases. However, the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range line offers a third option with our finishing oven option. But what actually is a finishing oven, and when or why would I specify one? Well, that is what we are here to help answer today. As Chef Bruce begins the main course, let's get into the meat of what a finishing oven is and how it can be utilized to provide a perfect finished product. A finishing oven is great for any chef who requires an oven to bring product up to serving temperature after an initial prep elsewhere, such as on a charbroiler to provide those tasty char marks, or in a pan for searing, as Chef is demonstrating here with the filet. Pan searing the filet allows it to develop a beautiful golden crust on the outside, which is one of the most important flavor-producing reactions in cooking. Let's pretend our customer ordered this steak at a medium doneness. If we were to continue to pan-sear this steak to the customer's required temperature, it would cause the outside of this thick fillet to dry out much too quickly and leave Chef with a tough, chewy product. But by bringing the fillet up to temperature gently in a finishing oven, helps to cook the product more evenly from all sides and allows Chef to control the temperature more effectively. Another way to think about finishing is to say, searing on the stovetop is primarily for color and flavor, and the actual cooking takes place in the finishing oven. The main features that make up our finishing oven are the hearth plate at the bottom of the oven and the thermostat temperature control. In our finishing ovens, which are also known as high mass ovens or chef ovens, we have installed a 1/2 inch thick hearth plate on the oven bottom to help with heat loss as you open and close the oven door to add another menu item to be finished. This hearth plate helps trap heat, so as the door is opened and heat naturally escapes, when the door is closed, the heat that is locked into that plate helps the oven recover temperature more quickly. Lastly, our finishing ovens utilize a superior hybrid FD-style thermostat that has precise temperature control and offers even higher temperature profile over our standard and convection oven bases, taking temperatures from 550 degrees up to a soaring 650 degrees. This high temperature is excellent for bringing product up to serving temperature slowly and gently to prevent overcooking, burning, and to help maintain an overall juicier product. As we move into our last menu item, a Maryland-style crab cake, let's discuss some of the additional benefits of a finishing oven. Now, for many years, and still today, chefs have relied on convection ovens for finishing because they assumed it would recover temperature faster when the doors were open and shut. And while it's true that a convection oven bakes product about 25% faster than a standard oven, we just saw that the hearth plate helps the temperature recover much faster than a convection oven. In addition to recovery, there are many reasons that a dedicated finishing oven may be a better option over a convection oven, aside from recovery alone. First, a finishing oven typically costs less upfront over a convection oven base, so there's an immediate savings right there. Another benefit is the food maintains a better quality in a finishing oven over a convection oven because there's no convective air movement from the blower wheel, wicking moisture away and causing food to dry out and shrink. Without that air movement, we have a juicier, more plump resulting dish. Lastly, a finishing oven offers an overall lower total cost of ownership. With a convection oven, there are very sensitive components, such as solenoids, switches, wiring harnesses, and motors, that will experience premature failure when used at high temperatures for extended periods of time. In a standard finishing oven, there are no such sensitive components, which allow chefs to be confident that their range will operate at peak performance. And, as you can see from the diverse menus Chef has created for us in the finishing oven today, the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range finishing oven is an extremely versatile oven-based option that will exceed any chef's expectations.
Thanks for tuning in and watching us cook in the Vulcan finishing oven. Today we prepared a shrimp scampi, a filet mignon with a stuffed baked potato, and 2 crab cakes, one served with a brioche bun and one served with saltine crackers. As a chef, I really like using the finishing oven because of its high temperature and its fast cooking, especially for appetizers or finishing an entree or preparing a simple Maryland crab cake. So thanks for tuning in and watching us cook in the Vulcan finishing oven today.
Thank you very much, Chef Bruce. Everything looks just delicious. And thank you to everyone who joined us today. We are honored that you would take time out of your day to join us for our a la carte program on Vulcan's V-Series heavy-duty range finishing oven option. In today's segment, we discussed the oven base options available on the heavy-duty range line, the primary components of a finishing oven, and the benefits of a finishing oven over a convection oven. Again, thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.